Paella Party and Us, a never-ending love story. Paella conjures nostalgia and has succeeded in being the preferred food to celebrate any happy moment together with family and friends. Vamos Paella is a unique culinary concept where our chefs will be cooking paella and tapas live at your gathering. We cook a fabulous range of delicious, rustic paella in our giant pans, adding a real sense of fun and theater to your paella party. Our big pans mean that we can cook and serve delicious paella for larger numbers of guests. We specialize in events for between 75 and 500 people and have cooked for hundreds of weddings and parties serving many thousands of happy guests. Be it a great celebration with friends and families or just indulging in a little self-love, paella works wonders at every occasion. Top reasons to love paella. A personal indulgence for those blue days. A hot plate of paella can sometimes be the perfect panacea to help you unwind on those blue days. Even better idea is to share it with a friend or colleague and make the entire experience more therapeutic. Friends like family and family like friends. Time flies when you're living the big city life. Hence, it becomes very important to pause for a while and celebrate your achievements. Calling people over to your place is the most intimate way of telling your friends that they're the family you've chosen. Befitting paella for an intimate gathering, nothing can ever replace a warm aromatic plate of paella. It is indulgent, filled with best of the spices, locally sourced seafood and makes you feel at home. Perfect paella party. Serving paella. Paella is a dish that has been loved for decades and has simply been passed down from generation to generation. It's enjoyed by people of all ages, regardless of what kind it is or where it comes from. Our paellas are suitable for both daytime and evening celebrations, so if you are looking for delicious food, Paella Party will add something special to your occasion. To conclude, there are endless reasons to love paella. Treat your guests to a unique cooking and dining experience and contact information. Address: 4 Gordon Road, Brighton, East Sussex, South East England, BN16 PD. Email: vomospaella@gmail.com. Website: www.vomospaella.co.uk. Contact number: 781-558-2231. Social media profiles: www.facebook.com weblink, twitter.com weblink, www.pinterest.com weblink, www.instagram.com weblink.